Good afternoon, everyone. We're just here in Chetwynd, BC, Canada, guys. I will show you guys the wood carving here. Beautiful. This is an eagle. Oh, owl. It is an eagle. It's an owl. Wow. Very cute. And what is this? An eagle? Yeah, this is an eagle. This is a wood carving. Oh yeah, the bottom is a clock. But amazing how they make it, eh? That's hard work because it is a big wood carving. And this is, huh?
Buffalo.
Oh, buffalo. That's a buffalo. Oh yeah, looks like. Yeah. Oh, have a name. Mike. Look. First place.
Guardians of the Wild.
Guardians of the Wild.
By Mike.
Germany.
Reichert. Germany.
Yeah. Wow. I guess they had a competition with us, eh? Look at this one. What's this, Anne? Beer? Oh, this is mixed up.
Yeah, buried eagle and a wolf plus totem.
Yeah. This one have a mark here. USA. It's a sunny day, guys. We're here in Chetwynd, British Columbia, Canada. We'll go to Alberta to my sister.
Dogs and bears and people.
Oh my God! Look at that. Very cute, eh? Yeah, very cute. Yeah, that. Yeah, amazing how they make it. Excuse me, guys. Oh, and this is another one. It's a human being. Sort. And here we are, guys. Welcome to Chetwynd. That is there, you know. I have another one there too. Over there, still have. Huh. Deer. And this one. That one. What is that, Ann? That's cute. Looks like a wheel or what? USA. Have a wonder. Oh. And that is another one there. Yeah, it's a sunny day. That's good. But in some part over there was snowing. Have some snow in the road. Here is clear sky. Carver's Row.